जय बोल सद्गुरु ज्ञानानंद मूर्ति की जय। दक्षिणामूर्ति समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपराम्। I am nothing. I know nothing. All I know is Jnananandam. All I need is Jnananandam. For Jnananandam is everything.
Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda.
We search far and wide, amassing more and more wealth, power, status, and privilege to gain happiness, when all the time the treasure of true happiness lies deep within you. The key to opening it is contentment.
Jnanananda, Jnanananda, Jnanananda. Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda.
We are all individually blessed with many things, but we focus all our attentions on what other people have gained and forget to count our own blessings.
Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda.
Heaven and the nether world are not distance apart. Being honest, virtuous, and helping each other is heaven. The opposite is the nether world. Both are here. We choose which we belong to by our actions. Loving all without prejudice, treating everyone equal, serving humans, plants, and animals with that love and equality, having steadfast and unwavering faith at all times, and holding patience in life. This is the path of real Parabrahma. We don't know by what grace we got human births this time. We also don't know if we will get another human birth next time. We don't know how much time we have left to love and respect everyone. Then, why waste this precious life and time remaining focusing on selfish motives? God has created us all as equals. We have no right to treat anyone differently. We can never make God happy if we are cruel to others. God has created us to be the most intelligent creatures. We should be thankful to Him for the same. The meaning of this life lies in service and devotion, nothing else. Understanding the pain of others, helping people, and forgiving others is the real knowledge.
Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda. Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda. Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda. Jnanananda, 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 Jnanananda. Jnanananda, Jnanananda, ஞானானந்த 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 ஞான